check this out. This is a diamond dust custom grill with the white border around. Here's the back side. See the stamp there. This is 10K white gold. It's a beautiful custom fitted grill. Just finished for one of our customers. All right, now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quick service, beautiful handmade grills. You can choose how many teeth you want right on our website, blingcartel.com. We can do top, bottom, or set. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.